Hello my friends, as you can see a lot of snow today has come down during the night and in the last 2 days, and so I take my stuff, I took my stuff and I decided to have a good hike in the snow. I don't have the snowshoes with me because even if the snow is pretty soft and deep, the trail is really narrow, and so the snowshoes are not perfect. A bit more effort, but more safe, and also the snowshoes with this type of trail, you have to take it out really often. Anyway, it's a spectacular view from here, guys, and I'm glad of your company as usual. A tree has fallen down. This last part it's been really tough because much snow, and also it's really steep, and so it's not easy to hike in these conditions, but enjoyable anyway, for me at least. Out of the forest at last, even if we don't have a good view, but at least we reached the top of this hill that I was not sure to be able to because of these conditions, but I'm glad to be up here. The snow is really deep, at least 50 centimeters deep, you see. This here can be considered a good spot to stop by a bit and eventually boil some water. This will give me a bit of cover to have my tea and some biscuits. Perfect, guys, you see. When the snow is so soft, you didn't much of it to provide a good amount of water. This will keep me warm during my next trail. Cheers, my friends. It's even too hot. It's perfect. These rocks, even if they are not perfectly covering me, but anyway, they give me a bit of protection, that what I need to rest a bit. This is the perfect tea of the evening. I have to climb this last part to get to the top, and it's steep, but with the snow is enjoyable. Almost there, guys. I wanted to reach also this other peak, which is really steep, and with the snow, I've never done it with the snow. Sorry for my voice, but it's really cold up here. Anyway, I wanted to try this, and I guess I will find myself on the top in a few minutes. reached to the top, guys, and I'm really happy about that. Way down is much easier, even if you have to be a bit careful, but it's much easier, guys. You see the trail. I love this silence, guys. These are my steps on the way up. Can tell you guys that nobody else has come through here today. Also, you see my steps are really deep. As I said, there's a lot of snow in these last 2 days. Even in this freezing condition, a good thermos can give you hot coffee or tea after many hours. As I said, good hot tea in this condition is really something good for your body. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for your company as usual. It's a pleasure, and from this beautiful environment, I wish you again a happy new year, and I wait for the next time that we will be together. See you soon, my friends. Bye bye.